Hello and welcome to How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016. Throughout this video I will show you how you can easily automate and run regression tests of your application code to check your code against existing application functionality using Microsoft Dynamics NAV Application Test Tool and Test Coverage Map. At the end of this video, I will have performed a test of application functionality following changes in my code, verified if any application functionality was affected by my code changes, and generated a list over areas that failed to pass the test and need further attention. Let's look at the steps we will go through in this video. First, we will import a test coverage map. A test coverage map shows application code that has been executed during specific tests. Next, we will modify a few application objects. Then we will select our test suite or those parts of the suite that are affected by modified objects. And finally, we will run the test suite and review the resulting output. To run Test Automation Tool, simply type Test Tool in your client search window. You can import Automation Test Tool code units and library from your product DVD. Default suite contains all available tests. For the purpose of this video, let us consider the following scenario. I have made a simple change in posting routine and want to test my application following that change. The line marked here with green shows the code change I have submitted. I will start with creating a new test suite and call it simply test. To create a test coverage map for the suite, you can select the Update Test Coverage Map option. I have previously created a test coverage map running default test suite containing automation test, and now I want to import that map to my development database. To import test coverage map, select Actions, Test Coverage Map, and Import. Next, based on test coverage map, I want to import those test code units that are affected by my application code change. For that, I can select Get Test Code Units and select code units based on modified objects. Finally, I will run the test and select all tests affected by my code change. Once the test is completed, we can double-click on any line to look at the test result details. Let's revisit the steps that we have performed in order to enable this scenario. In step 1, we created a test suite and imported test coverage map. In step 2, we submitted some application code changes. In step 3, we ran the test suite focusing on modified objects. And finally, we reviewed the resulting output. For more information, please visit the Microsoft Dynamics NAV resources and What's New in Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016 page. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in another episode of How Do I video series for Microsoft Dynamics NAV 2016.